Now we will see next type of sandhi when visarga changes into sh, sh or sa. If a visarga is preceded by any vowel, means if there is any vowel before the visarga and after the visarga there is ch or ch or sh, then visarga will change to sh. We will see example kah plus chit. Here before visarga we have a and after the visarga we have ch consonant. What do we want? We want any vowel before the visarga. Here we have a and after the visarga any one alphabet we want, either ch or ch or sh, any one consonant. Here we have ch. So in place of visarga, sh will come and kaschit will be the answer. Next example is harihi plus shete. Here before the visarga we have e vowel and after the visarga we have sh consonant. Now in place of visarga sh will come and the answer will be harishete. Now we will see next type. If a visarga is preceded by any vowel and followed by a consonant from among ta, tha or sh, visarga changes into sh. Sh of Shatkon. Okay. Now first example is kavehe plus tika. What do we want? We want any vowel before the visarga. Here we have a and after the visarga any means any consonant out of these three, ta, tha or sh. We have ta here. So in place of visarga sh of Shatkon will come and kaveshtika will be the answer. Now we will see next example balah plus shashtah. Here before the visarga we have a and after the visarga we have sh. We either want ta, tha or sh. Here we have sh. So in place of visarga sh of Shatkon will come there and the answer will be bala shashtah. Now we will see next type of visarga sandhi. If a visarga is preceded by any vowel and followed by a consonant from among ta, tha or sa, visarga changes to sa. We will see example tanvanaha plus te. Here before tanvanaha we have a as a vowel and after the visarga we require any one consonant out of these three, ta, tha or sa. Here we have ta. So in place of visarga sa will come and the answer will be tanvanaste. Next example is devaha plus tatha. Here before the visarga we have a vowel and after the visarga we have ta consonant. So in place of visarga in place of visarga sa will come and the answer will be devastatha. This sa or sha will be in halanta form. So they will join next consonant. Dev plus halanta sa plus tatha. So sa and ta will join, devastatha will be the answer. We will see next type of sandhi, okara roop. If visarga is preceded by a and followed by a or a soft consonant, it changes into o. We have seen this. The preceding a and u combine together and the resulting sandhi is o as per the rule of gun sandhi. For example, Ramah plus Gacchati. Before visarga we have a vowel and after the visarga we have a soft consonant ga. So the a which is before visarga will combine with U. In place of Visarga, U will come. Because what do we require? We require before the Visarga a, and after the Visarga we want either a or soft consonant. So here we have a before the Visarga and a soft consonant after the Visarga. So in place of Visarga, U will come. Now this a of Ram and U which came in place of Visarga, they will join. A plus U will be O. Ramo Gachati will be the answer. Thank you.